Hi everyone, it's Liv with We Draw It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this adorable sheep. So let's get started. First we're going to draw our sheep's body, which is going to look like a round shaped cloud. Today I'm using a simple red plastic cup as my guide. Place your cup on your piece of paper and then just draw curved lines all the way around your cup. Now we're going to draw a flattened U shape for our sheep's face. Then we're going to draw two circles for our sheep's eyes. Now let's add some sparkle or highlights to our sheep eyes. Just draw a circle in each of those eyes. And then add another set of circles just below those circles. Now color in those eyes. For our nose, we're going to draw a flattened V shape right in between those eyes. Then we're going to draw a straight line from the point of that V to the bottom of the sheep's face. Now we're going to add a few wavy lines to form the top of the head. You can draw your lines any way you wish. Mine just happens to look like W's tied together. Next, we're going to draw the ears by making a C shape on the left side of the face. And then we're going to make a backward C on the other side of the face. Now we're going to go back to our first C and draw a smaller C inside. And then do the same to the other side. Next, we're going to draw the legs. So draw a roundish L for the first leg. Then draw a U to form the other leg. To make the hooves, we're going to draw small U's right below those legs. Then go ahead and color them in. Now it's time to style our shape. You can style it any way that you want, but I'm going to go over a few options. First, we're going to add a bow. So draw a circle on one side of the sheep's head. Then draw the left side of the bow. Now draw the other side of the bow. Now we're going to draw the bow tail. And then we'll do it to the other side. Now we're going to add two lines on each side of that circle to give our bow a little bit more dimension. So it'll look like that the ribbon is gathered around that knot. Now let's add some lashes. Draw 2 curved lines on the outside of the eye. And do that for the other eye. Now we're going to give our sheep a little bit more volume on its head by drawing a couple of curved lines. Congratulations, you guys! You now know how to draw this cute sheep. I hope you had fun drawing with me. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thank you so much again for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.